Hey guys, I just real quick want to talk about a giveaway that I'm going to run. For each 100 subscribers I get, I'm going to be picking a random comment from one of my videos and sending out prizes accordingly. Some of the stuff we have here is limited edition Mission First tactical holsters. There's a Don't Tread on Me, another Don't Tread on Me. This is kind of like some kind of radar pattern. This is a Davidson's exclusive. These were given to dealers. It's one of those hot and cold mugs with a bottle opener on the bottom. This is a Mission First minimalist for a Glock 48 or 43 or 43X. And for those guys in the Facebook groups into the older CNR stuff, here is a vintage either late 60s, early 70s gun cleaning kit. It looks to be almost complete. I picked it up at a flea market. I do that as well. Flea market hunting. Looking for older stuff that's in my wheelhouse. These will be the prizes I'll give out. I haven't decided if I'm going to let the winners pick in order or if I'm just going to pick. You can put a preference in the comments. So share my page, get your friends to sub, and we'll do some giveaways and have some videos on some relics and other firearms. Look forward to sending some of this stuff out. Thank you.